What if I told you that regular people are turning their garages and spare rooms into small production spaces, and some of them are making over $1,000 a day? No warehouses, no staff, just compact machines, a work table, and smart ideas that solve everyday problems. These setups create real products that people buy every single day, both online and locally. In this video, I will show you 20 small factory machines that can be operated from home, machines already being used to build profitable businesses with low startup costs. But before we start, if you want the exact machine links mentioned in this video, comment, send me links, and I will share them with you. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. We do not guarantee income or results. Success depends on individual effort, skills, and market conditions. Number 20. Premium Candle Manufacturing Machine. The candle is one of the easiest home factory businesses to start. The candle industry generates over $3 billion annually in the United States alone. And here is the surprising part. Nearly 65% of sales happen year-round, not just during holidays. This setup requires a wax melting unit, quality molds, cotton wicks, and premium fragrance oils. The process is simple and repeatable. Melt the wax, mix in scents and color, pour into containers, and allow them to cool. The biggest profit driver is fragrance. Unique scent profiles that tell a story allow sellers to charge premium prices and stand out from hobby-level competitors. Number 19. 3D Printing Machine Service Setup. The 3D printing service business is expanding rapidly, with the global market heading toward $32 billion by 2025. A single desktop printer can turn a spare room into a production space serving inventors, hobbyists, and small businesses. This setup includes an FDM or resin printer, multiple filament or resin types, and access to basic design software. Customers send digital files, and you print everything from replacement parts to custom figurines. The advantage here is scalability. Running multiple printers at once turns this into a true mini factory, allowing consistent daily output with minimal labor. Number 18. Custom Phone Case Printing Machine. The custom phone case manufacturing market continues to grow, with the smartphone accessories industry reaching over $25 billion globally. This home setup uses blank phone cases, a sublimation heat press or UV printer, and simple design software. You can print photos, logos, names, or trending designs directly onto cases. The real opportunity comes from targeting specific niches like schools, local businesses, professions, or viral trends. Every new phone release creates fresh demand. Using durable materials and UV-resistant inks leads to higher customer satisfaction and strong repeat sales. Before we continue, take a moment to like this video and subscribe for more smart business ideas. Our goal is to reach 10,000 subscribers, and your support helps this channel grow and bring you more real opportunities. Number 17. Organic Pet Treat Manufacturing Equipment. Organic pet treat manufacturing taps into a market where pet owners spend more than $7 billion every year on treats alone. This factory starts in a home kitchen, using ovens or food dehydrators, mixing tools, and secure packaging. Recipes often include simple ingredients like oat flour, pumpkin, and peanut butter, with no artificial additives. Many states allow home production with basic registration. Clear labeling and attractive packaging are essential. These treats sell especially well through farmers markets, pet boutiques, and online communities where pet owners actively seek healthier alternatives. Number 16. Custom T-Shirt Printing Machine. Custom T-shirt printing remains a strong and consistent business driven by demand for personalized clothing and event merchandise. The setup includes a heat press, vinyl cutter or transfer printer, blank shirts, and basic design tools. Heat transfer vinyl offers durability, while sublimation provides vibrant, permanent designs. Screen printing becomes useful for larger orders. Local sports teams, schools, small businesses, and events are ideal clients. High-quality prints that last through multiple washes are what turn one-time buyers into long-term customers. Number 15. Sock Manufacturing Machine. The sock manufacturing machine targets a fast-growing niche. The novelty sock market reached $4.5 billion in 2024 and is projected to exceed $7 billion by 2033. Customers want bold designs, custom faces, pets, and themed patterns. This setup can use a compact circular knitting machine with yarn or a sublimation printing system using polyester sock blanks. Face socks and personalized designs perform especially well online. Comfort and print quality matter. Soft materials and durable prints increase repeat purchases and brand loyalty in this high-margin product category. Most people scroll past opportunities like these without realizing some of these machines are already producing consistent daily income for regular people working from home. Number 14. Eco-friendly bag sewing machine setup. The eco-friendly bag production machine benefits from plastic bag bans and rising sustainability awareness. The reusable bag market reached $12 billion in 2025 and continues growing at around 8% annually. This home factory uses an industrial sewing machine, cutting tools, and sustainable fabrics like organic cotton or recycled polyester. Simple tote bags are easy to start with, then expand into branded or specialty designs. Businesses pay premium prices for custom reusable bags that promote their brand while replacing thousands of plastic bags over time. Number 13. Planter manufacturing equipment. The planter manufacturing setup serves a strong home and lifestyle market. With 66% of American households owning houseplants, demand for planters remains high year-round. Production can involve woodworking tools for wooden planters, molds and cement for concrete designs, or upcycled containers. Wooden planters attract eco-conscious buyers, while concrete planters appeal to modern decor trends. Features like proper drainage, water retention, and unique designs allow higher pricing and better margins. These products sell well through plant shops, craft fairs, and online marketplaces. Number 12. Custom label printing machine. The custom label printing machine fills a gap in the $50 billion professional printing industry, where small orders are often ignored. This setup includes a high-resolution printer, quality label materials, design software, and optional vinyl cutting tools. Local makers, bakeries, wedding planners, and small brands need professional labels in short runs. Waterproof finishes, custom shapes, and fast turnaround allow premium pricing. Label quality directly impacts client reputation, so precision printing and clean cuts are essential for repeat business and referrals. If this video is opening your eyes to new business opportunities, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, because every week you will see real machines, real ideas, and real ways to build income. Number 11. Desktop injection molding machine. The desktop injection molding machine brings professional manufacturing into a home workshop, with machines now available for under $400. Combined with 3D printed molds, this setup produces small plastic parts like clips, knobs, toys, and replacement components. It bridges the gap between single 3D prints and large-scale production. This is ideal for short production runs where consistency matters. Local inventors, product developers, and hobbyists are strong customers, especially when they need discontinued or custom parts produced quickly and affordably. Number 10. Ultrasonic welding machine. The ultrasonic welding machine provides a highly specialized home manufacturing service with strong profit potential. This technology uses high-frequency vibrations to fuse plastic parts instantly without glue or fasteners. A benchtop ultrasonic welder allows small-scale production of sealed enclosures, protective cases, and non-woven fabric assemblies. This service is in demand among inventors, electronics makers, and product developers. Because competition is limited and technical knowledge is required, ultrasonic welding services often command premium pricing and consistent repeat orders for small batch assembly work. The next machines are not hobbies. They are real production setups that solve problems, and that is exactly why they generate high profit margins. Number 9. Snack food dehydrator machine. The snack food dehydrator machine taps into the fast-growing healthy snack industry, valued at over $95 billion in 2023. Home producers use commercial food dehydrators to create dried fruits, vegetable chips, and specialty jerky. Popular products include apple chips, mango slices, kale chips, and seasoned vegetables. The process involves slicing, seasoning, dehydrating overnight, and packaging in moisture-proof bags. Many states allow home production under cottage food laws. Unique flavors and premium packaging help these products achieve high profit margins in health-focused markets. Number 8. Spice grinding and blending machine. The spice grinding and blending machine serves consumers seeking fresh, aromatic seasonings. The global spice market exceeds $29 billion, with growing demand for freshly ground blends. This setup includes heavy-duty grinders, fine sieves, precision scales, and airtight containers. Whole spices are roasted, ground, and blended in small batches for maximum flavor. Custom curry powders, barbecue rubs, and regional spice mixes sell especially well. Freshness and aroma attract attention at farmers markets, allowing sellers to charge premium prices compared to mass-produced spices. Number 7. Long Arm Quilting Machine. The Long Arm Quilting Machine supports a dedicated craft market with millions of active customers. There are between 9 and 11 million quilters in the United States, many of whom need professional finishing services. This machine allows operators to stitch quilt tops into finished products with precision and speed. Services include custom patterns, memory quilts made from clothing, and full quilt assembly. Quilters value reliability and quality, leading to repeat clients and referrals. Well, Run Quilting Services can generate steady monthly income from consistent demand. Number 6. Screen Printing Machine Setup. The screen printing machine setup remains a proven home factory model, with the custom screen printing market reaching $5.5 billion in 2024. This setup includes screens, squeegees, inks, and curing equipment in a ventilated space. Screen printing excels at producing durable, vibrant designs for apparel and promotional products. Local bands, sports teams, events, and small businesses regularly need short-run orders. Compared to digital printing, screen printing delivers longer-lasting results, making it ideal for bold graphics and repeat client work with strong profit potential. Number 5. Metal Spinning Lathe Machine. The metal spinning lathe machine supports niche manufacturing that mass production often ignores. This process shapes flat metal discs into bowls, lampshades, and precision components. The setup includes a metal spinning lathe, forming tools, safety equipment, and metal sheets like aluminum, copper, or brass. Custom automotive parts, lighting fixtures, and decorative items are common products. Small batch orders command premium pricing due to the skill involved. Clients value custom dimensions and finishes, allowing this home workshop to generate high value per unit output. If you think these ideas are expensive or complicated, wait until you see what the final machines can produce with low startup costs and small spaces. Number 4. Thermoforming Vacuum Forming Machine. The thermoforming vacuum forming machine targets the $50 billion global packaging market, where small businesses struggle to source affordable custom packaging. This setup uses a tabletop vacuum former to shape heated plastic sheets into trays, blister packs, and protective inserts. Molds can be made from wood or 3D printed forms. Local artisans, electronics makers, and food producers need short-run packaging solutions. Custom molds and fast turnaround allow operators to charge higher margins while helping small brands present products professionally. Number 3. Glass Fusing Kiln Machine. The glass fusing kiln machine operates in the growing art glass industry, valued at $6.8 billion in 2024. This setup uses an electric kiln capable of reaching high temperatures to fuse layered glass into finished pieces. Products include jewelry, plates, decorative tiles, and wall art. Each piece is naturally unique, which increases perceived value. Handmade fused glass items sell at premium prices, especially through art fairs, galleries, and online platforms where customers seek one-of-a-kind home decor and gifts. Number 2. Ceramic 3D Printing Machine. The ceramic 3D printing machine combines modern technology with traditional ceramics, with the market growing at nearly 30% annually. This setup includes a ceramic printer, clay materials, and a kiln for firing. It enables production of complex shapes like architectural tiles, sculptural vases, and custom dinnerware that cannot be made by hand. Designers, architects, and high-end buyers seek these unique products. Custom orders and limited runs allow creators to charge premium prices for advanced ceramic manufacturing. Number 1. Traditional pottery wheel and kiln setup. The traditional pottery wheel and kiln setup remains one of the most reliable home factory models. Handmade pottery continues to attract buyers who prefer artisanal products over mass-produced items. This setup includes a potter's wheel, kiln, clay, glazes, and basic tools. Items like mugs, bowls, and planters sell consistently. Each piece takes time to produce, which increases its value. Food-safe glazes and strong craftsmanship build trust, while custom orders and workshops add long-term profit potential. Now you have seen 20 small factory machines that prove you do not need a massive budget, a warehouse, or a large team to start producing real products. These machines are already being used to generate steady income, solve everyday problems, and build profitable businesses from home. The key is choosing one machine, mastering it, and serving a specific market better than anyone else. If this video gave you ideas or motivation, share it with someone who wants to start small but thinks it is not possible. If this video gave you value, like it, subscribe, and share it with someone searching for new ways to build income. Your support helps more people see these ideas and allows this channel to keep growing. Thanks for watching, stay focused, stay creative, and I will see you in the next video.